podcast, Where America Goes for Funding. Give us a call, text my office at 832-431-6331. Your direct nationwide lender, mortgage broker for the last 20 years. Or you can click on the links down below to get signed up for enrollment. There's no cost for enrollment. There's no hard credit check. So tonight we're talking about our DSCR Build to Rent program, one of our brand new products for 2026, where you can get the funding to actually build the property, ground up construction. So if you're buying land, you can build a home on it, whether it's single family or you can do multifamily. And then you can also get the construction loan. And then once the construction is completed, you can refinance and do a DSCR loan, an investor cash flow loan. Most people today are no longer selling their real estate, selling their properties once they're done building or developing. But they're doing instead of doing fix and flip, they're doing fix and rent or ground up construction, and then they're converting over to a rental property, whether it's one single property or it's 100 properties. They're keeping their portfolio, and they're realizing that mailbox money, dividend or annuity type income is more valuable than actually selling the property and capturing a profit for many different reasons, for tax benefits, long-term capital appreciation, long-term income. So there's a whole slew of reasons why it makes a lot more sense to hold on to the real estate versus selling it, for the reasons I just mentioned above. So we offer these programs as a direct lender for the ground up construction, the DSCR, the bridge loans, where you can get the funding either if you own the land or you don't own the land, then you can get the money to purchase the land. If you already own the land becomes your down payment, and you don't have to put any money down on the construction loan. It's a traditional construction loan, non-Dutch interest, so you don't pay any interest until you draw from the loan. Typically, it comes with 5 draws. If you need more draws for that, you can get that, or if you need advances for soft costs, or if certain vendors like framers, cabinetry, wood, flooring, appliances, they need advances, we'll advance that money directly to the vendor. But basically, it's a 1 year, could be longer term, interest only, no prepayment penalty. The closing costs can roll in, also the no payments during the construction period. And then if you decide to refinance, we can convert that over to a long-term rental property loan and then pay off the construction loan. Or obviously you can sell the property and capture the profits, but you have that option. And it works beautifully. If it's a bundle of properties, like several, then you could do one blanket loan where it bundles all the loans together, all the properties. Or if it's just one singular property, then you can do that too. But it makes it very dynamic and very attractive, because another interesting thing that I like about it is that once you've completed with the construction, you can obviously go off of the current appraised value, and the current appraised value is going to be much more than your normally than your cost basis. And then you can refinance and cash out too if you want to, and you can obviously do anything you want with that money, because it's non-taxable, and then you can invest it or do whatever you like. But it's a great strategy to build wealth, grow your portfolio, and just add a lot of value, whether it's for you, your investors, your family, your shareholders. Just a wonderful strategy. And obviously, if we can help you with this to partake in it, please reach out to us. Don't be a stranger. There are some requirements for this. Ideally, you have to have a 700 plus credit score, built at least 3 homes previously, have 6 months reserves. We will close an LLC, so it doesn't report to your personal credit, but this is not a full doc bank loan, so they don't check your tax returns or W-2s or pay stubs. The main thing is your credit score and your experience. The property does have to be in an urban or suburban area. It cannot be in a rural area. And obviously you can't have bad credit or no liquidity. You have to have at least 6 months reserves. So those are the biggest requirements for this loan. But it's a phenomenal product. We've been doing it for over 22 years, and we offer it nationwide. It can be for single family, can be for multifamily, or whatever. So, those are the main requirements for that. If you've never built a house before and you hired a general contractor, that's fine. But that general contractor has to sign a completion guarantee. Okay. Basically, similar to a performance bond, or they're attesting to the performance of that property and completing the project. Okay. So, but yeah, we love to work with you on these opportunities if we can help you. Don't be a stranger. Reach out to us. It's a phenomenal program. It takes about, usually 3 to 4 weeks to close on these. The interest rates on the construction loan are around 9 to 10%. The interest rates on the long-term loans are around 5 to 6% fixed. The closing costs get financed into the loan. They're usually 2 to 3%. And then the only thing you have to pay out of pocket for is the appraisal. We get a local quote from the local appraiser that usually runs, $600 to $700. You pay that directly. And yeah, it's a great product, and so we love to work on it. If you're a builder, a developer, an investor, so if you have any more questions, please reach out to us. We're open 7 days a week. We'd love to help you with it. You can call or text our office, 832-431-6331. If you want more information about these programs, we also have DSCR, non-QM, bank statement loans, hard money, bridge lending, lines of credit. So please reach out to us, or you can click on the links down below for enrollment. If you want to get signed up for enrollment, reach out to us there. Any questions, or whatever you need, please reach out. Don't be a stranger. We'd love to help you with these loan programs. So, and if you want to get signed up for our loan partnership program to get paid for referrals, reach out to Angelo Christian on that as well. You can get paid for your referrals. You can also, if you want to get your Amazon gift card, go to Angelo Christian Mortgage on Google, get your free Amazon gift card, check that out there. Or if you want to become a top producer, top closer with Angelo Christian, check out Real Estate University, a phenomenal platform that I built. All the links for all that's down below. So we'd love to hear from you and help you in any capacity that we can with any of these programs. So I appreciate all of you guys tuning in and watching the channel with Angelo Christian. Thank you guys so much. Take care. Peace out. We'll see y'all again next week. Later. Bye-bye.